What's up guys, and it's back-to-back coverage on the OnePlus 7, and boy oh boy, things are getting brilliant. OnePlus 7 will have a feature that will set it apart from the competition, and that is the 90Hz refresh rate display, meaning it's gonna be a smoother experience compared to your traditional 60Hz smartphone display. Just today, the CEO himself gave an interview to The Verge where he talked about the OnePlus 7 Pro's upcoming amazing display and what he felt when he actually used the phone in person for the first time. Along with that, we also have the correct specification leak via Max from Twitter. So before we get into this exciting news, there is one sad news that I want to address, and that is the delay in launch for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Yes, Samsung has officially delayed the Galaxy Fold. It first happened in China, then it happened in Europe, and now it also got delayed in US. So because of all the problems that happened over the past few days, Samsung decided to further evaluate the Galaxy Fold and see what improvements they can make and fix the errors that we saw. So again, it's delayed. It is still coming. It's about 1 month delayed, but it will still come to the public. And I'll be waiting for this device because this is an incredible, entirely different product that I want in my hands. So I will be waiting eagerly for this when it happens. But let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Let's talk about the OnePlus 7. The Pro model is indeed coming with a 90Hz display. Ice Universe has further revealed some details saying that Samsung is actually behind this new 2K panel for the Pro model, and we all know how good Samsung's display are. I doubt that it's going to be the dynamic AMOLED panel, but it will be a good high quality 2K AMOLED panel from Samsung with 90Hz of refresh rate. The CEO was stunned when he first saw the phone in person, and just like the iPad Pro, the OnePlus 7 Pro will have a variable refresh rate, so it's not going to be 90Hz all the time. It will manage that efficiently so that it won't cause a big impact on the battery life, and combined with that full screen display, it is a killer combination. Now so far, only the Pro model seems to have this awesome feature. If we take a look at the specs, the OnePlus 7 Pro is rocking a 6.7-inch display with 1440p resolution and 90Hz of refresh rate. Triple camera setup, main camera sensors coming at 48 megapixel at f1.6 aperture, 8 megapixel camera with 3x zoom, and then 16 megapixel wide angle lens, and then on the front there will be a 16 megapixel pop-up camera lens, and then the usual stuff that we talked about before. But something that is exciting here is UFS 3.0 storage, which is something that we saw for the first time on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So this makes this phone one of the few on the market to have this fast storage speed. And this time there will be more colors, so the OnePlus 7 Pro will be offered in blue, gray, and brown colors. Now speaking of non-Pro model, we have a 6.4-inch display that is coming with a 1080p HD resolution. It's gonna have the same notch design as the OnePlus 6T. There is a 48 megapixel sensor that is actually f1.7 aperture, so it's not the same level as the Pro model. And then there is a 5 megapixel depth sensor for those portrait shots. There is a 3700 mAh battery with 20 watts of fast charging, and then the usual stuff, Snapdragon 855, and it might come with the Bullet Wireless 2 headphones and some kind of pre-order gift or something. So you can see the OnePlus 7 is not nearly as good as the Pro model. There are a lot of differences, and I think it totally makes sense because OnePlus 7 will still be a flagship killer, giving you the same chip as the $1,000 Android phone at about $600 price range. It might actually be cheaper than $600, I'm not sure. Whereas the Pro model definitely seems like a $700 plus candidate. $750 could be the actual price for the Pro model. Again, let me know your insights on that. It is expensive compared to the previous OnePlus models, but in comparison to the competition, it is still cheaper, and in my opinion, the Pro model seems to have all the right ingredients to justify its price. So there you have it, the correct specification for the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro model is here, along with its confirmation for the 90Hz screen. The CEO says that is something incredible. Honestly guys, I want to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think? And also let me know what you think about the Galaxy Fold situation. It's definitely a sad day for Samsung fans, but Fold is not recalled. Again, it is delayed. It is still scheduled to come in the month of May. Hopefully we'll see it in May, but let me know your thoughts and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.